Welcome to my channel MHM Background. Here you can learn how to quickly create different backgrounds footage in the After Effects program. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. Important to know creating some footage as requires some Python plugins sign the speed of the processing to make this much easier. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. I won't give backgrounds with the text while you're free to do their research. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background with a couple of minutes, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. On my second channel MHM Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address.